And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Can we give her a big round of applause? Mrs. Lopescu, the best first grade teammate out there. I'm going to give you your pin. Oh, my God, here.
Good morning, Sammy. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. You get busy, busy, whoa. Happy New Year.
Hello, Busy Bees. I'm Lindsay from Run Seal Beach here with my buzzing buddy, Sammy the Seal. And would you look at that? Spring has officially sprung in Seal Beach. The sun is shining, the flowers are blooming, and the town is abuzz with excitement for our 1K Kids Fun Run, which is coming up on March 28th, 2026. So grab your friends and get ready to run, skip, or flutter to the finish line, then celebrate with Sammy in our springtime fun zone. We'll have popsicles, crafts, slime, and games that will keep you as happy as a bumblebee in a clover field, all while your parents are off running the 5K or 10K. The sweetest part? Run Seal Beach gives back to local schools and organizations that help keep our community healthy and happy. Sweet! Wait, did you hear that? A little birdie just told me that we need your help designing this year's Fun Run t-shirt that all the kids will wear on race day. Our theme this year is Be Healthy, Be Happy. So if you're in elementary school, draw your best birds, bees, butterflies, frogs, ladybugs, or flowers. And don't forget to show Sammy having springtime fun. Let your creativity shine and submit your drawings by January 9th. Our first place artist will roll away with a skateboard, protective gear, and a 1-week summer camp with skate dogs to learn some cool new skills. Our second place winner will enjoy a spring-themed canvas paint party at Let's Go Paint with a group of their friends. And our third place winner will receive a real live butterfly habitat and a gift certificate from Knock Knock Toy Store. A big thank you to our generous donors for helping make it all possible. For all the details, including how to submit your drawing and sign up for the race, buzz on over to runsealbeach.com. So spread your wings, stay bright, and keep buzzing, friends. We'll be seeing you at the start line.
This is Sea Lion leader Lexi Drockett with this week's announcements. Happy New Year. We hope you had a restful holiday break and are ready for the second semester of school. Let's be our best in the classroom and on the playground. Ramaga! Jogathon is back. Fundraising begins on Sunday, January 4th and runs through January 30th. In addition to a brand new Sea Lion plushie, you can earn a glow party, foam party, Rubik's Cube, lunch from Raising Cane's, a class pizza party, extra recess, and a bubble dance party. This year's goal is $75,000. If we hit our goal, we will get a special skateboarding demonstration and make Miss Wood and Mr. Larson go through a human car wash. Let's go, Sea Lions! College Day is on Wednesday. Wear your favorite college gear and work towards a bright future. Second grade is going to the Kellogg House at 8:30 on Wednesday morning. Have fun learning about local California history. Pageant practice is back. Be sure to meet up at the gym on Thursday at 2:20 p.m. The Runsville Beach T-shirt contest is coming to an end on Friday, January 9th. Get creative and submit an original design for the Be Happy, Be Healthy theme. Make sure you only use 4 colors in your design. Let's win this contest, Sea Lions! Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
This is Anchored for Life leader Emerson Langston with the quote of the week. This week's quote is from actress and TV personality named Oprah Winfrey, who said, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." This quote is important because it means to learn from your downfalls and make it into something wise that impacts you in the best way for the future. I hope this quote inspires you to leave any mistakes or bad vibes in 2025 and turn them into things that you'll learn from in 2026.
Congratulations to Miss Carrie Pallone, LaSalle's Classified Employee of the Year. You are the heartbeat of our school, and your impact makes all the difference. Congratulations!
Thank you, Miss Form, for being kind, sweet, and caring, and very nice when I'm up there at the office when my parents are awake to pick me up. Thank you, Miss Form. If we didn't have you at the school, it wouldn't be the same without you.
I like Miss Pallone because she's kind and she helps people in the sick.
Thank you so much, Miss Pallone, for always taking the time to get to know every student. You really deserve that award.
I like Miss Pallone because she helps me. I like Miss Pallone because she lets me go on the computer. I love Miss Pallone because even if I come in a few times a day, she's always there to greet me with a smile. Thank you, Miss Pallone! Congratulations, Miss Pallone! Omedetou!
Thank you, Miss Pallone, for always getting to know everyone and just treating everyone like your own. And you make me feel so special, and you never let me lose sight of who I really am.
I'm thankful for Mrs. Pallone because she's a nurse and she takes care of me.
I'm A for today.
Yes, you are. Way to go, Ethan.
I got a roll book.
All right, turn it in.
UTK.
Welcome back, Sea Lions. We're excited to announce the following Raw Book winners for 2026. First, let's celebrate UTK student Santiago Echeverria. Ms. Tochioka says that Santiago was being a really kind friend. He was giving friends nice compliments throughout the day that made them feel good. Thanks so much, Santiago.
Kindergarten.
Ms. Fox wants to celebrate kindergarten student Isaac Miklas. She said that Isaac had a stellar day. He was checked in during instruction and had a great attitude all day long. Let's keep that good momentum moving forward.
First grade.
Miss Stevens wants to celebrate first grader Frankie Rayer. She said that Frankie pushed in his classmates' chairs without being asked. Thank you for keeping the class safe and clean. We appreciate you, Frankie. There are so many ways that we can give back to our school.
Second grade.
Mrs. Ungaro wants to celebrate second grader Sarah Rodriguez. She said, "Thank you, Sarah, for coming back to class ready to learn. You stayed focused and you made some great choices. Way to go."
Third grade.
Team Frenderson wants to celebrate third grader Leandro Martinez. They said that Leandro is pure joy and always works so hard. He takes risks with his learning and will try his best no matter what. You rock, Leo!
Fourth grade.
Miss Cruz wants to celebrate fourth grader Olivia Perry. She said that Olivia was recognized for performing her heart out throughout the entire choir show. Thank you for your hard work.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Let's celebrate 5th grader from Miss O'Brien's class, Haley Key. She said that Haley takes her classroom responsibility so seriously. She is an incredibly enthusiastic materials manager, and we want to shout out all of our 5th graders who are taking their roles so responsibly in class. Thanks so much.
Let's rock, Sea Lions. Make it a great year.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.